Hello children of class 6, welcome back to our e-learning class. Now in our previous class we have started the chapter adjectives and degrees of comparison. I have asked you to complete exercise number A, circle the adjectives of the underlined nouns. Now today we will discuss the answers. The princess had long and black hair, so for hair you have to search out the adjectives long, black. Mohan is a hard-working student. For student, hard-working. A wedding in the family is a perfect opportunity to know your relatives. For opportunity, we are having perfect, and for relatives, we are having your. The holy river Ganga is very polluted now. So, river Ganga. For river Ganga, we are having holy as well as polluted. Polluted also we have to take because it is also describing river Ganga. Every teacher wants to see tidy work. So, for work, we are having tidy as adjective. That car is beautiful. So, for car, first we are having that and then we are having beautiful. So, we have to take both here, that and beautiful. These are his paintings. So for paintings we are having the adjective his. We will reach home after 2 weeks. So for weeks we are having the adjective to. So the first one long, black. Number 2 hardworking. Number 3 perfect, your. Number 4 holy, polluted. 5 tidy. 6 that, beautiful. 7 his, 8 2. So children, come to this page number 27. We will read the usage of few, a few, little, a little. This one already we have discussed when we were reading the chapter nouns. Still then, let us discuss once more. We use little to denote quantity, few to indicate number. To indicate almost none, we use little, and a little means some. Similarly, few means almost none, a few means some. He got little help from his friends, almost no help, and help you cannot count, so this is quantity. There were few people in the auditorium, almost no people, so few it is used for countable noun people. So she got a little help from her family. Here a little means some help. And number D, there were a few people in the auditorium. A few means some people. Now difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns like water, milk and rice. This we have already discussed. We can say much milk, a little milk, sufficient milk to show quantity of milk, uncountable noun. Adjectives of number are used with countable nouns like books and glasses. We can write many books, few books and several books. Some adjectives like some and sufficient can be used for both countable and uncountable. Underline this one, that some adjectives like some and sufficient can be used for both countable and uncountable. Some friends, some milk. So some milk, milk is uncountable, and some friends, friends it is countable. Exercise number B you will complete. We will discuss the answers in our next video. So it's very easy. Identify the adjectives and classify them as the adjective of quality, quantity and number. Next one we are having demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective answers the question which one. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some persons or things. Like demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those, such, certain. These bikes are not parked properly. Such players always play for the team. So its feature is demonstrative adjectives answer the question which one. Okay, interrogative adjectives are words like whose, what and which. Interrogative and demonstrative adjectives must be followed by a noun. If it is not followed by a noun, it is neither an interrogative adjective nor a demonstrative adjective, and in that case it will become if it is just used before, that means if it is followed by a verb, then it will become interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun respectively. Interrogative adjectives, adjectives that are used with nouns to ask questions, are interrogative adjectives. What question did the teacher ask? Come to the next page. Now, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives shows possession or belonging. That means the thing belongs to whom. His pen is on the table. My car is at the service station. So possessive adjectives, here a column has been given. You can see first person singular my, plural our, second person your, third person for singular we are having his, her, its, and for plural we are having their. Now exercise number C also you will complete, and we will discuss the answers in our next video. Some other types of adjectives. Proper adjectives. These are adjectives which are formed from proper nouns. Example, Asian, Christian. Emphatic adjectives, they influence the effect of the noun they are modifying. Example, absolute knowledge, utter lie, that means they are giving some sort of stress here. Participle adjectives. Sometimes participles like ing words used before nouns are used as adjectives. Example, flying saucer, running bus. So exercise number D, fill in the blanks with the type of adjectives mentioned in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. This is also you will complete, and we will discuss the answers. Now children, in our next video we will start with degrees of comparison, and you must not forget to complete exercise number B, C and D. We will discuss all these answers in our next class. So it's time to say you bye.